Your smartphone charges in an hour, but the transformers powering AI data centers take 5 years to build. This bottleneck is becoming the biggest constraint on artificial intelligence development worldwide. AI models like ChatGPT and Claude require massive amounts of electricity. A single query to GPT-4 uses about 10 times more energy than a Google search. When you scale this to millions of users making billions of queries, the power requirements become staggering. Data centers running these AI systems need between 50 to 100 megawatts of power. That is enough electricity to power 50,000 homes continuously. The problem is not generating this electricity, but delivering it safely to where it is needed. This is where electrical transformers become critical. Think of transformers like the heart of the electrical grid. They step down high voltage electricity from power lines to the lower voltages that data centers can actually use. Without them, connecting to the grid is impossible. Manufacturing large electrical transformers is incredibly complex. Each unit weighs hundreds of tons and contains thousands of precisely wound copper coils. The copper alone can cost over $1 million per transformer. Only a handful of companies worldwide can manufacture these specialized units, and their production capacity was already stretched thin before the AI boom. The manufacturing process involves winding miles of copper wire with tolerances measured in fractions of millimeters. A single mistake can ruin months of work. The specialized steel cores must be assembled layer by layer to minimize energy losses. Each transformer requires extensive testing and quality control before installation. Current orders placed today will not be delivered until 2029 at the earliest. Major tech companies are now buying transformers years in advance, sometimes before they even know where they will build their data centers. Some are exploring alternatives like modular transformers or on-site manufacturing, but these solutions have their own limitations. This transformer shortage is quietly reshaping the entire AI industry timeline. If you want to understand how data centers actually cool these power-hungry AI chips next, it is already on the channel.